All right guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna be making a giant Japanese polished foil ball. I'm gonna try to make a really big one and then I'm gonna try to find out if I can bite into it. Let's get started. All right, so here's the supplies we've got for today's video. I've got 600 feet of aluminum foil. I've got some sponges, some fine sanding paper, gloves, not really sure what we'll need those for, hammer, and some Brasso. We may need this to get it polished super smooth, so.
Are you kidding me? I was gonna make baked potatoes tonight. You're wasting all the foil.
2 words, Japanese polished foil ball.
Fine. I'm not cooking dinner.
That's 200 feet. I didn't want to stop at 200 feet. All right, let's see if we can make this a ball and make it polished. Heavy. Okay, this is a wood sander. Not sure how well it's gonna work. Let's see what it does. Okay, I'm gonna try to get some extra shape out of this thing. Seriously, go. You see that? It's like pure metal. Holy cow. So I've learned the more aluminum foil you use, the harder it is, because there's more, it's more dense, it's harder to work with, less pliable. I tore right through it. It's like I'm sanding metal. Sanding screens, drywall sanding screens. I don't know if that square is salvageable. It's just not gonna look good. Okay, got it pretty polished off. I'm gonna polish it off a little more using this. So this is as shiny as we got it, but I'm actually gonna try just hitting it with the hammer. And I think I've heard if you just keep hitting it, it just becomes shiny. All right, here we go. All right, I think I need to construct the ball differently. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. I'm using separate sheets of foil this time, and I'm gonna leave the bright side of the aluminum foil, the shiny side, facing out. Hoping that's gonna make a difference. All right, so I've got shiny side out. I'm gonna start hammering. Actually, I'm gonna push first. say it's looking pretty good. I'm gonna add a little bit of the Brasso to superfine sandpaper. Pretty good. All right, I think we're gonna call it good here. I feel satisfied with my Japanese polished aluminum foil ball. As I said in the beginning, I'm gonna see if you can actually bite into it. So here we go. Okay, well there you have it. The answer is no. You cannot bite into a Japanese polished aluminum foil ball. All right guys, well thanks for watching. I dare you to try making one of these. It's a lot of fun, a lot of hard work. I feel like I got stronger and smarter because of it. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe. We got lots of fun videos coming up. And thanks for watching. I'm gonna go show my wife.